Monday, May 22nd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. Very unsettled and complex weather setup over the next 72 hours. Let me start off with a couple live cameras early this morning during the 5 o'clock hour. There's the Greensboro tower camera. It's been a wet night for many of us across the region. There's a look at the Dowd YMCA camera. The clouds breaking up temporarily early this morning to some extent in the wake of a disturbance. 63 your temperature there in Charlotte, and had a big spread in high temperatures yesterday across the Carolinas. Columbia hit 88. It was 85 for high in Fayetteville and Charlotte, but only 68 in Reedsville and North Wilkesboro, 70 in Greensboro, 73 in Asheboro, and again mid-80s as you got down closer to the South Carolina border areas. Now, again, we're in a very unsettled weather setup. Here's the radar over the past couple of hours as I cut the video. So this is during the 3, 4, and 5 o'clock hours, that general time frame. We've had this wave of rain that's been rolling through, exiting parts of the Triad area very, very early this morning. And there have been some pretty good amounts of rain in the foothill areas as we've gone through the last 24 hours, over an inch of rain there. Lighter amounts of the rest of the Triad viewing area, but then you get down into parts of the Charlotte region. Many spots up over an inch of rain or so as we've gone through the past 24 hours. And then you got down to the upstate. There's a lot of folks that saw over 3 and even over 4 inches of rain down into parts of South Carolina as we have gone through the past 24 hours. So a very wet stretch of weather began yesterday for parts of the region. So that morning wave of activity is gone. That disturbance is driving all that. It is gradually exiting. You look carefully, you can see a bit of a counterclockwise circulation right around here. That is that disturbance that's gradually exiting. So a bit of a lull in the activity for the next several hours, but then you look what's happening off to the west of us, and that is where we're going to see the next wave of showers and thunderstorms taking shape over Texas and Louisiana. In fact, let me flip on the future radar product, and you can notice this activity blossoming and then lifting northeast as we get a little bit deeper into the day. And out ahead of all that, probably your typical scattered shower and thunderstorm activity developing this afternoon during the heating of the day. So it's a complex weather setup here. Timing these individual disturbances is going to be very, very tricky. But the bottom line is, really at any point in time between now and, say, Wednesday evening, we could have a wave of rain and storms move through. I think most likely we have some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, and then a more widespread wave of rain and storms develop as we get into overnight tonight and tomorrow morning. So there's your general highs across the region. There'll be some variability there depending on the placement of showers and storms. Tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms remaining a good possibility for us. There's our highs tomorrow afternoon. Wednesday, again, unsettled with areas of showers and storms. Now let me show you some model projected rain totals here for the next few days. Here's the GFS model with its 0Z run. This is between now and early Thursday morning. European model, fairly similar. The RPM Futurecast modeling also pretty aggressive with the rain total. So let me take you through it here on some of the more detailed modeling. And again, this is a very complex weather setup. You have this trough out west with lots of pieces of energy pivoting around it. This is early this afternoon. We get out to Wednesday morning, that trough bottoming out of the Mississippi Valley. And you notice the height lines here spreading out. That's upper level divergence, and what that means is that as you get upper level divergence, that means you have convergence in the lower levels. So that's a good setup to get areas of rain and storms to develop. So let me show you the GFS. This is this afternoon, and then here comes that wave of rain moving in later tonight into tomorrow morning. Now it clears that out by tomorrow afternoon. The European lingers the showers and storms basically all day tomorrow. So I'm going to hit pretty good chances for showers and storms for Tuesday. It might be more focused in the morning than the afternoon. We'll see. Here we go Wednesday, another round of showers and storms, and even as the upper low pivots through, could be some scattered showers sticking around even for Thursday. Now thereafter, Friday looks good, Saturday looks pretty good, and then Sunday also decent, but I do think there'll be a chance of at least some isolated storms over the weekend, especially the farther north you go in the region, but that's a part of the forecast we can evaluate as we get a little bit deeper through the week. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, stay dry, and God bless.